Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus lnx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 1 over s dx. So this one we change by u. dx over s we change by du. The integration of u we have u square over number 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 1 plus lnx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.